We are back with another boot unboxing from Phix.
Two boots.
Two boots. Both same boot, two different colors. So this is the Phix Black Western Croc Effect Metal Toe 60 millimeter boot. These boots are badass. I'm super stoked to get them. I love when Phix does Western style stuff because it's always a little bit extra and just like right up my style or right up my vibe.
Right up my alley.
Right up my alley.
That's like me saying free walling.
So let's get into it. Let's start with the black. I'm gonna get into sizing real quick. So I am a size 10 boot, size 43 boot, or in this case, I don't know if this UK or Europe, it's a size 9. Yeah, it's a UK size 9, Euro 43, US 10. Pretty much what I wear in all my boots. As always, comes in this little fancy garment bag. Wait till you guys see these things. Look at that. These things are beautiful. They are not cheap. They are $735 US, which is right around the price that most of these boots are going for on the higher end. If you go from the first, I think they have the Dante that they did a collab in. Thank you to my beautiful assistant. So I think it's the Dante from the first. They have a similar style to this that they did with Saij, I think his name is. They did a collab. I'm probably butchering his name. But anyway, they're around the same price. The quality is on point. They are handcrafted from luxurious Croc embossed leather. They got the metal toe cap, 60 millimeter stacked Cuban heel. So it is a jacked up heel, but I dig it. I like a big heel. I'm not scared of these. 60 millimeter is as high as I will go. Finished with bespoke engraved metal hardware, which I absolutely love. The details of this metal toe. I love the engraving they did. I love the fact that it says Phix kind of here in the back heel, real small. And they're made in Portugal, handmade by a master Portuguese artisan. Western inspired design, Italian calfskin leather. What I think is kind of cool is that they kind of have stuck to their kind of the same silhouette in a way. It's a different shape, but like the way they did the pebbled crocodile here is very similar to the other boot, the Keith. It's almost exactly the same upper and I don't know, I guess mid here is the same kind of style that they have on the Keith, but they kind of now gave the rest of the silhouette a Western style, which is really cool. They have the rubber on the back heel, which I always love because I hate slipping and sliding when I'm walking down the street. By the way, I just started drinking this Herbe Madre tea. So good. I don't know if anybody has ever heard of Herbe Mate. I have never heard of it. It's delicious.
There's caffeine in it. It's supposed to help with focus. There's energy, but it's not like an energy drink.
All right, so enough of the black. Let me show you guys how I styled them with my first outfit right here. Phix clothing. These are the pin button trousers from Phix. White tank is also from Phix. I'm a huge white tank guy. This one is top-notch quality. This is part of their Rolling Stones collab. As you can see, it has the Rolling Stones signature in it, and so is the shirt, part of their Rolling Stones. Check that out. You can never go wrong with a bowling shirt. It's one of my favorite shirts to wear in the summertime. It has like a very vintage style to it, and it's still flowy and light. This belt is not from Phix. This is from Ace High. This is another new pickup. And then the boots, which are insane. Check out these bad boys. Woo! Things are tough. Look at the details. That's beautiful. It's got a nice big old heel. That's sexy. Oh, and then the glasses. I almost forget. These are from Johann Wolf again. I already told you guys, one of my favorite brands. I feel like I'm in a fucking video.
It's so right. The Insta360 just makes all content look amazing. Woo-ha! I got you all in check.
Garment bag. These boots look so rich. So this is interesting. I didn't notice this when I checked them out the first time. The brown is a little different than the black. I'm gonna show you how. I didn't notice it on first. It has like the pebbled, I don't know if that's pebbled croc or reptile or whatever you want to call that. This one is completely crocodile. I actually like the full croc, to be honest with you.
Interesting. And I think I like the pebbled.
Yeah, you've always been into pebbled.
Yeah, I like the pebbled.
I think you have or had a pebbled jacket. I don't know if you still have it. So anyway, the same details. I'm not gonna run through all the details of the boot. Same heel, same details of everything, but just in brown. Stay tuned and then we'll get into styling. shade long sleeve shirt is out of this world.
Gorgeous.
My wife is in love with this.
I think I'm gonna borrow it.
It's so well made. The boots, which are absolutely stunning. These pants are Phix as well. I love the cut of these pants. I like the flare on them, the high waist. And the tank top is from Other UK, which I love too. It's kind of like a dressier tank top, which I really dig. And then the sunglasses, you guys already know, these are Johann Wolf aviators. Degs and South necklaces, which I love adding a little turquoise. Tissot watch. I feel like I look summer ready and I'm still rocking boots. People are like, you wear boots all year long? All year long, baby. All right, guys, so those are the two outfits. So let me know which color you'd rock, or would you rock both of them? As always, follow me here on YouTube. Like this photo, comment down below.
You say follow me on YouTube, like this photo, and subscribe on YouTube, and like a video.
It's all the same shit. Like, subscribe, what's the fuck's the difference? Let me try that over again.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to be posting some more outfits on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there on BlueCollarPrep.
We out. Say hi, Bangs. You're so
Did
beautiful.
mommy just wake you up?
You're so beautiful.
Mommy just wake you up?